Looking for the fuse box in your Ford C-Max 2010 to 2014? I'll show you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can find the right fuse quickly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford C-Max 2010 to 2014 protects circuits for the fuel pump, interior lighting, sunroof controller, central locking instrument cluster, 12-volt outlet, and modules like the steering column electronics and anti-theft system. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford C-Max 2010 to 2014 protects vital systems like the ABS pump and valve, ignition and starter relays, heated windshields, the heater blower, and engine control circuits, including the powertrain module and voltage quality monitor. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the Ford C-Max 2010 to 2014 supports key rear area systems like door locking, power windows, heated folding mirrors, the power seat, and certain infotainment and security circuits. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.